going on? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on, YouTube? Thank y'all for getting to this video. I'm just want to show you how I made over $1,000 with free apps. Like I said, free apps, people. Free apps. If you don't have the apps, please go download them now and let's start getting this money. So, first app I want to show you now is Dosh. Dosh App. Free app. They are all in your Apple Store, your Play Store. Dosh is just a cashback app where you can receive cashback from your local stores, places that's in your area already. You got a lot of places, a lot of restaurants, stores. Oh, York. Oh, I always wanted to go here. This is actually like a breakfast spot. It only opened up for a couple of hours, you see, from 6 to 3. I want to try that. See, now I can get cash back at a store. I always want to go there. That's dope. But yeah, you get cash back at your local stores. People, you can shop online as well. And you actually just type it in the search bar and see what we got. So, but I wanted to show you the cash. So this is the cash I got from using Dosh so far. Can I click on it? This is in my wallet right now. I can transfer it to my PayPal, or I can set up a bank and go from there. But you guys, every day, only thing you have to do is just tell people to download the app. Download the app, link a debit card to it, and that's it. They're gonna give me $5, they're gonna give you $5. See, it just goes on and on. Well, let me just show y'all something. Come down here to refer, and once you get the app, you come down here to refer and you get your code. This is your code. It'll say invite friends, get $5. Get $5 for each friend you refer to Dosh who signs up, and link and connect a valid debit card or credit card, people. That's it. Just get that link and you go crazy with it. You share it to Facebook, share it everywhere. So let me show you. When I tell you to share it on Facebook, this is what I mean you do. So you'll go to Facebook. Go back to Facebook. This is where you want to go. This is exactly how you're going to do it. This is exactly how. Real time. Real time. Let's get out of this. How we get out of this? Alright. We want to go to... this is where you want to go. Groups. You want to come to groups. And you want to actually add like a lot of work from home groups, a lot of business groups, business opportunities, jobs, a lot of groups. Just add tons of groups, tons of groups, tons of groups, tons of groups. And then once you add tons of groups, you want to just go to the ones that's basically fresh and that has been updated. So you can go to like one right here. Somebody made a post. You want to go to an active group, somewhere where it's active. Not like that. That's like 9 months ago, 11 months ago. You don't want to post in these year ago. You don't want to post it done. You can, but you want to go to somewhere that's active. So we're going to just click on right here. And this group has 48,000 members in it. And this is what you want to do. You want to post in this group. You want to put, let's say this. We're going to say comment. $5 to receive. Oh, good Lord, I can't even spell. $5. Comment $5 to receive $5. To receive, oh, we're gonna say free $5. Comment $5 to receive free $5. That's it. Type that and put like a background on it or something. You know, throw some emojis in there too. Probably throw an emoji. We're gonna throw it like this. Emoji. Bam. Comment $5 to receive $5. I guarantee without a doubt, if you post this right here in a couple of hundreds group and tell them just to go download this app right here, you're gonna get $5. and you're gonna be able to get paid just like I did. So I'm gonna come down here. Let me show you my activities. People signs up all the time. They got their $5, got their $5. You know, of course they have promotions, but people are linking their cards like crazy. $5, $5. So guys, download the app, get my referral link, download it. Once you download it, you want to come to Facebook and you want to post an ad just like this. Post it in hundreds of groups. And then once people start commenting, you just send them your link. And that's it. And that's it. So I do that for Dosh, because Dosh you get $5. And I do it for this app right here. Cash App. People think Cash App is a scam. I do it the same way. $540. It's like $1,200 right there in the app. You guys, the same thing. People just... Now with Cash App, it's a little different. The only thing you have to do with Cash App is just you download the link and you send $5 to receive $5. And that's it. And once you download it, you just come over here to this button right here and click right there. Once you click right there, your link gonna come up, and you take your link and you do the exact same thing on Facebook like I just told you. And you know, hopefully y'all can get some money out of that. I surely have, and I'm loving it, and I'm winning with it. Hopefully y'all found value in this video. If you did find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Like, share, comment, share with your team, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Alright? Peace.